Hello dear friends, I'm Bhavna. Welcome to all of you guys on my channel Prabh Groups. This is the second video lecture for Unit-2 Electronic Spreadsheet, topic Link Data and Spreadsheet. I hope you have seen first part of this topic. If you have not seen that video, click the I button, otherwise continue this video. In this video, we will discuss about the topics referencing other document and hyperlink. Friends who are new on my channel, please subscribe to this first and hit the like button also. Let's start. First topic, referencing other document. There are two ways to enter links to sheet in other spreadsheet. First one is creating the reference using the mouse, and second, creating the reference with the keyboard. Let's discuss the first one method, how to create a reference with the mouse. Follow these steps for creating a reference. Let's do the practical and see how to create a reference. First one, open a document and then select the cell and click the equal sign to the input line, and then switch to the spreadsheet. Minimize the first spreadsheet. This is a second one spreadsheet. Select the reference cell and then go to the first one sheet. This is the reference, and then click the green check mark on the input line and it's done. In second one method, creating the reference with the help of keyboard. Tapping the reference is a simple once you know the format the reference takes. The reference has three parts. First one, path and file name, second sheet name, and third cell. And you can see the general format for the reference is, this is the general format of the reference. Let's do the practical and see how to create a reference with the help of keyboard. So here, firstly open a document and then see the reference which you want to create to the other spreadsheet. Here two spreadsheet. First one is a summary and second one is a family account. I want to use this reference G3 from the summary spreadsheet to the reference B3 spreadsheet family account, and here type the equal sign and then type the reference. This is the reference. Here file name is summary.ods and sheet name is checking account and cell name is a G3. This is a reference, and then press a enter key. It's done. This is the second one method for creating a reference. And next one topic is working with hyperlink. Hyperlink can be used in Calc to jump to a different location from within a spreadsheet to other parts of the current file, to different files, and even to the website. Creating hyperlinks, you can also insert and modify links using the hyperlink dialog. To display the dialog, click the hyperlink icon on the standard toolbar or select the insert menu and then click a hyperlink from the menu bar. Hyperlink dialog box will be appear on the left side. Select one of the four categories of hyperlink. First one is internet. The hyperlink points to the web address, normally starting with http://. And second one is a mail and news. The hyperlink opens an email message that is pre-addressed to a particular recipient. And third one is a document. The hyperlink points to place in either the current document or another existing document. And fourth one category is new document. The hyperlink create a new document also. Next one topic is relative and absolute hyperlink. Hyperlink can be stored within your file as either relative or absolute. A relative hyperlink says here is how to get there starting from where you are now, meaning from the folder in which your current document is saved. While an absolute hyperlink says here is how to get there no matter where you start from. An absolute link will stop working if the target is moved. A relative link will stop working only if the target and start location change in a relation each other. For instance, if you have two spreadsheets in the same folder linked to each other and you move the entire folder to a new location, a relative hyperlink will not break. One main point is Calc will always display an absolute hyperlink. Next one topic is linking to external data. You can insert tables from HTML document and data located within named range from an OpenOffice.org calc means spreadsheet or Microsoft Excel spreadsheet also into a calc spreadsheet. You can do this in two ways. First one is using the external data dialog and second using the navigator. Let's discuss the first one method using the external data dialog. Follow these steps. Let's do the practical and see how to using the external data. First one, open the calc document where the external data is to be inserted. This is the target document. Select the cell and then click the insert menu and then click the link to external data, and this window will be appear. This is the external data dialog box. On the external data dialog box, type the URL of the source document, otherwise click the 3 point means here, this button. To open a file selection dialog box, select the file here and then click a open button. Calc to load the list of available tables. Select the sheet and then click a OK button. Here insert the link data. And second one method is using a navigator. Follow these steps. Let's do the practical and see how to use this one method. So firstly here open a two document, target document or a source document. This is a source document and this is a target document. Here I want to insert the external data. In the target document, press the F5 to open the navigator. At the bottom of navigator, select the source document. The navigator now shows the range name and the tables contained in the source document. Select anyone. I am selecting sales 2019. It's displayed. Now it's done. This is a source document. This is a target document. And last one topic, linking to registered data source. Follow these steps. Let's do the practical and see how to register the data source. Click the Tools menu and then click the Options. And this window will be appear. Here select the OpenOffice base and then select a database, and here select the registered database, otherwise create a new database here. And here I want to using a registered database, so click a cancel button and select any one registered database here. I'm selecting record 10 and then click a OK button. The database is added to the list of registered databases. So dear friends, in this video you learn about referencing other document and hyperlink, and in the next video we will discuss about the sharing worksheet data. If this video is helpful for you, then hit the like button, and if you didn't subscribe this channel yet, please do it now, and also press the bell icon for the future update. Share this video to your friends and relatives so that my video can reach more friends. Thanks for watching everyone. Bye bye.